A quality ring light for monitor can make screen work noticeably easier while saving time each day. This category helps you see details clearly and reduces eye strain during long sessions. Different models suit different needs, budgets, and preferences. I looked at features, ease of use, performance, capacity, and value. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 6. This model focuses on slim, compact construction that slides easily beside your monitor. It uses a simple phone holder style arm and a USB plug for fast, clean setup on desks. The light features dimming and color options that cut glare on screen during calls and help eyes during long coding or writing sessions. It suits students and remote workers who want a tidy, flexible light for Zoom, streaming, or detailed tasks. Because it balances build, size, and function, many shoppers choose it as a simple starting point for improving their on-camera lighting. Number 5. Built with durability in mind, this ring light focuses on overhead for detailed monitor work. Its wide ring design spreads light evenly, cutting harsh shadows for cleaner video and photos. The arms stay out of your frame, so your setup looks simple and uncluttered. You can position your phone or camera quickly and adjust the light without tools. Dimming and color options let you match your monitor and room lighting. It suits students and remote pros who need clear, consistent top-down lighting for calls, streams, or long work sessions. Number 4. Focusing on key functionality, this ring light for computer focuses on clean overhead lighting without taking desk space. Its adjustable arms and flexible mounting help position the light so screens stay flat and cables stay organized. Multiple levels and a stable USB power option smooth out hot spots and reduce flicker during long sessions. Clear guidance on distance and angle keeps lighting even on different monitor sizes. It suits students, remote workers, and creators who want consistent video looks without complex setups. Detailed setup tips and compatibility notes explain why this option stands apart when you compare ring lights for monitor. Number 3. For buyers seeking overall value, this ring light focuses on a slim clip body that sits neatly on your monitor frame. The lamp offers adjustable and a built-in selfie light, so you can quickly brighten calls or casual photos without extra gear. The clip design suits different screen sizes and lets you position light where it is most useful. It suits students, remote workers, and streamers who want a simple setup for better video clarity. This model earns attention because it combines a compact desk footprint with direct monitor mounting and easy grab and go operation. Number 2. When it comes to practical performance, this ring light kit stands out with its slim monitor clamp and integrated camera mount design. It delivers adjustable color temperature and through 48 LED lamp beads, helping you look clear on calls. The wide dimming range lets you match your room light or creative mood. Strong build quality and included brackets make setup straightforward on most monitor setups. Good after-service adds reassurance when you need help. It suits students and remote workers who want a simple, adjustable lighting kit for daily video calls. This monitor lighting option earned its spot by balancing compact build, practical mounting, and consistent lighting performance. Number 1. This ring light focuses on gentle illumination for long video sessions. Its 4-layer optical soft panel cuts harsh glare and ring reflections, helping your face look more natural on camera. With 5 color temperatures and 10 levels, it delivers 50 lighting combinations to match your room and task. The compact, desk-friendly design sits easily beside your monitor and accepts USB power for flexible placement. It suits content creators, remote professionals, and students who need even skin tone and shadow reduction during calls, streaming, or detailed work. This setup earns a spot because it balances gentle light, adjustable control, and simple compatibility. This selection covers a range of ring light options, each offering different sizes, levels, and mounting styles. Budget-focused buyers, performance-focused buyers, beginners, and frequent users will find different models match their needs. Reviewing individual specifications helps match your setup and lighting goals. Hopefully this guide helped narrow down the options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.